Hi there, I'm Hannah with Emotional Outlet, and today I'm going to show you how to schedule a consignor drop-off. You can start by perusing our website emotionaloutlet.myresaleweb.com. Here you will find the link under the Consignments tab. It is important to check through the consignment terms as you see here below, and then you can click the link to schedule your appointment. To the left, we outline the duration of the meeting, the address, and the specifics of what we are looking for. Then on your right, you can pick the date that works for you and the time. You will then confirm the time and add some additional information like your name, your email address, and anything else you think might be pertinent for the meeting, like that you're bringing fall clothes. Once you are happy with the information you've put in, you can go ahead and hit Schedule Event. You will then be redirected to a confirmation screen. Here you will see the date and time of your drop-off and the location of our shop. You will also have the option to schedule another event or do a little browsing on our website. Our online store features our best products that we normally put online, but at in-store prices, and we will ship to you. Before your event, you will receive some emails reminding you again of the date, time, and location of your drop-off. You will also be given the option to cancel or reschedule your appointment. If you hit reschedule, you will see this calendar here again where you can pick a better date that works for you, and you can also revisit our specifications on what we are looking for in our consignments. Now if you hit cancel, you'll be directed to this screen here where you have a little box to write in some information as to why you're canceling. We don't need too much information, but it's nice to have a heads up if for some reason you cannot make it. As the date of your drop-off comes closer, you will receive another email reminding you of the date and time, and if something's come up between now and then, you have the option to reschedule or cancel, same as before. And finally, the day after your meeting, you'll receive a thank you email with links to our consignment shop and our Facebook. That's it. See how easy it is? Looking forward to seeing you. And don't forget to like us on Facebook. Thanks for watching.